Hello everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Thank you for tuning in. It's your girl Beloved and I'm back with a new recipe for the channel. Beloved Catering Service is a business where we make all kinds of cakes, butter cookies, shortbread cookies, coconut biscuits, sugar cookies, brownies, ring donuts, meat pies, samosas, spring rolls, and all kinds of fruit drinks and fruit juices, especially sobolo. We also make all local rice dishes and Ghanaian authentic dishes. We cater for all events and occasions and any form of gatherings. You can contact us with the information provided on your screen. In today's video, we are making oven baked chips. And this is how it looks like. These are the tools and ingredients we are using for today's oven baked chips, the Ghanaian way. So we have some sugar, we also have salt, we have soft flour, we have onions, garlic, nutmeg, baking powder, some butter, which we use just half, a bowl of water. We'll also be using our blender with the small parts for dry ingredients blend. We also use a bowl for serving. We'll use the chopping board, rolling pin, a knife, our cutter here. We also use our scraper. We'll use this grater, another sieve, parchment paper, baking sheets, then a bowl and a sieve for the sifting of the ingredients. Before that, I would be very happy if you could subscribe to my channel right now and then turn on your post and notification icon so that you get notified anytime I upload a new video onto the channel. And please share my videos with your friends and family. Please subscribe. Begin, I'm going to peel and then chop the onion. I'll add in water and then we'll cover and blend. And set it aside. Into the bowl, we'll add the flour and also the one we've set aside. Then we'll sift. We'll fetch it back out and set it aside. Now add into it our sugar, salt, baking powder, and then we'll grate our nutmeg into it. Now we'll add in our onion and garlic paste. We'll add in half of the butter. I'll combine everything together until we form a dough. This is kind of a folding in process. I'm going to start rolling and cutting it. I'll dust the surface with some flour and also on the pin. I'll place the dough and then start rolling it out. this is how it looks like. We are going to start cutting it and placing it onto our parchment paper covered sheet here. So I'll use the cutter which has the crinkling effect at the bottom, and then we'll start cutting into it. So this is how a piece should look like, and I will place it here. This is how it looks like. Now I'm going to divide it into smaller pieces. I'll start arranging them onto our parchment paper. Also use a bench scraper to cut it if you don't have the crinkle cutter. Now you can sprinkle some flour through the strainer onto it to aid easy removal. This is how they look like. So we are going to bake them at 170 degrees for 10 to 15 minutes at most. I just picked them out of the oven. I'm going to arrange them onto the cooling rack here and then allow it to cool for about 5 to 10 minutes. And this is how it looks like. After it has cooled off, we are going to serve it onto our plate here. And this is how it looks like. So this is how it looks on the back and also in front. You are going to break into it. And just look at that. Try this recipe and let me know how it was for you in the comment section. To store it, you could place it into Ziploc bags or maybe leave it on your countertop just like this for up to 5 days. So to store it, we'll place it here. Shout all the air and then lock it. And you can store this in your fridge for up to 2 weeks or even more depending on the temperature your fridge uses. And this is where today's video ends. Thank you so much for watching. Make it a point to watch all our new videos this and every Thursday and Sunday for wholesome content and amazing recipes you can try with your friends and family. Also, we post short videos from Sunday to Sunday, which is throughout the week, so you can check that out as well. Share our videos with your friends and family on our behalf. Subscribe to the channel. Do all the good stuff for us. Follow us on all our socials. So meet again, dear viewers. Bye bye.